Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. And if you saw, I did a Dollar Tree DIY yesterday. Well, I had a lot of these hearts, so I colored one again, exactly how I did yesterday, just using the Melon Mambo ink pad and rubbing it against there. And then I had these, what kind of dripping blossoms from Dollar Tree. I picked some of those up. I, of course, always have these little guys on hand. So I have some of those. And then these as well. Everything from Dollar Tree. So what we're going to do... Oh, and then I have this little beaker. So let's go ahead. We're going to make a beautiful little Valentine vase. And I think what I'm going to do first is I am going to put these on here. So I'm going to put a drip of glue, and I'm going to put this on the ground like that, and I'm going to push this up against there, just like that. Now, I could be done at that point. That would hold that nice and cute, but I want to go all the way around. So I've got that one done. Stick that under there. And then I'm going to put this one. Again, I'm going to hold that up. Oh, that's not the way I wanted it. Every time. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put that right against there. So funny. It wouldn't be me if I didn't have some kind of accident here or there. Of course, that stuck right on there. And you know I have a silicone mat sitting right next to me. So, anyway, if I can't pull this right up, I'll just move on. I'm not too worried because it is a glass mat. So, all right, we're going to just move on. So I got that, and they are stuck rather well. And then I'm going to do the same thing. And we're going to go this way. And we're just going to put 4 little bits around it. And now we've got it. Now you could be done like at this point with your little vase, if depending on how you want. You can decorate it with twine, going all the way around, however you'd like. But what I'm gonna do, I'm having issues. I don't like this. I'll get over it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put a ring or a stripe there. I'm gonna get some of this twine, and I think this was found in like the automotive part of the Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna wrap this around like a little protected heart. And I'm gonna add some more glue. I'm going to pull this one taut. There we go. I'm going to add more glue on here. Holding that one, starting one tight because it wants to get away. So again, I think we've got one more that we could do here. And just look at, nope, we need another one. Or should we cross it over? Let's see if we need. No, I think we're good. All right. So now we can cut that guy off of there. And push him more into the glue. And the same with this one. We're going to pull that a little bit tighter. And then if you have any that start to fall like this, it's because it has fallen down the sides. And we're just going to move that over, get it back to where it belongs, and then we'll glue it down on this side. Now I'm going to put a good stripe of glue right here. And then with this, I'm going to bring that over. I'm going to set it right on there. And put that just like that. And that should hold all your twine and everything together. If you want it, if you don't want that, it's not going to be shown because it's going to be like this. But if you have like a backside, color another one, do the same thing, and have it on this side. And no one's going to see the backing. Or you could just cover, before you stick this on, cover it with another one of these on that side. And now that I put that like that, I'm like, I wonder what that looks like if we had a second heart. Because that would be cute on either side. So here we go. And I'm going to just let that sit for a minute. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to take some more of this twine here. And we'll double loop it. This was definitely too big. That's okay. And we're going to make a bow. What a pretty bow that is. And that's just with 2 loops. You could do 4 loops if you'd like. So we are going to then add, let me see. We're going to add a dollop of hot glue right here. And then add our bow right in there. So cute. And then these little guys are going to hang down, but not all the way. And you could color these blocks as well, but I just wanted to leave it nice and rustic. And then all you're going to do is 2 things. You could, if you have the lid like this, you could fill that with like little candies, or a little Valentine letter would be cute in there. Or you can take a reel, because this will hold water, or one of these fake guys here, and just stick it in there. And look at how cute that vase is. I'll take a picture so you can see it better. But so adorable, super cute. And I am just loving that great little vase. So quick, easy Dollar Tree vase for 1 little flower, 1 little rose, and it could be used for Valentine's Day or any other type of holiday or decoration. I just used the heart and the twine. You could use the seashells that they have at Dollar Tree and just go crazy with whatever you'd like. I hope you like this. It is nice to be back and doing some crafting again with Dollar Tree items. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye.